Hey everyone, it is Professor Eskew. Wanted to just go over because this week we're going to start working in Connect. I wanted to show you the two different ways that you can do this, okay? Excuse me. So, Module 1 is here. And if you look through here it's going to take you through the chapter and the book. So, it'll start out with a welcome. And then I'm going to go through just a couple pages here. Because what I want you to notice is that this is giving you visuals. It's giving you additional videos to help you learn. It also gives you some practice problems. And then if you click here, it'll also give you the solution to those practice problems on those. Okay? And here we go. It's just going to take you through the whole thing. And so this first one is about whole numbers. Again, there's some practice problems. And here's this time you get a video with a solution. So anyway, this is one of your opportunities to learn the material, because the way I've set this up is some people learn through visual and practice, and then other folks just learn by reading the material, okay? So this is the information for Module 1, and you'll be doing Module 1 this week. You also need to, however, come over to assignments, because that is where your actual assignments for Chapter 1 are housed, okay? So it's really important that you understand that. So when you come over here for Chapter 1, you should see 2, sometimes 3 assignments. And that third assignment would be a quiz. So every chapter has what we call a SMART book, and I'm going to press this here in a second, and then your homework. So this week you'll have a SMART book and you'll have a homework. Next week you'll have a SMART book, homework, SMART book, homework, and then your first quiz. Okay. So anyway, and if you choose to not use the module, that is fine, because the SMART book is actually going to take you through the textbook as well and ask you a question. And you're going to have to do this anyway. So I guess what I'm saying is do the SMART book first, see how your understanding is, and if you need supplemental help, then move over to the modules and work through the modules, okay? So here we're going to click on this. This may not look the same for you because I'm an instructor, and it's not. So what I'm going to do, let's see how I can do this. I'm going to click preview, and then you'll see this Launch Smart Book, and this is what your assignment will look like, okay? So you can either start with the reading, or you can start with the questions. So it's up to you. If you start with reading, you'll get reading information first, and then you'll have questions to answer. If you start with the questions and you start answering the question wrong, and you answer several of them wrong, then it's going to take you back to the reading anyway. So either way, it depends on how you want to do it. So let's start with the reading. So if you notice in the reading, I have highlighted the information for you that I think is really, really, really important. Okay? So I'm trying to save you some time here. So if you just read the highlighted material, that's great. And that's once you have read a section, you can go to the questions. And here are some of the questions. So here's just an example. Given the number 100,924, identify to which whole number group 924. Well, 924 is in the units. And then it's going to ask you, hey, how sure are you about this? I'm going to say, I'm pretty sure. And then I was right. Okay? And then here, it gives you feedback. Okay? And you just keep doing that. And as you can answer questions, or you can flip back to the reading. Okay? So that's how that assignment works. You will do that for every chapter. Then, once you work your way through the chapter, you'll have homework. I would suggest, here's the way I would tackle the homework. Okay? As you can see, for homework 1, you've got 8 questions. So in most chapters, you have somewhere between 5 to 8 questions. Okay? So here, what I would do, and again, I'm in the instructors, so if we look at this, here's your questions. Here's how I would approach this. I would read some of the section, and then I would come to the homework, because you can come in and out of the homework unlimited number of times. It doesn't matter. And every time here's the secret though. Once you go out, make sure you save it. Okay? And you won't see that here on mine. But make sure you save it. And then when you come back, anything that you've had correct up to that point stays saved. Okay? And then when you're finished, you can do the submit. Okay? Any questions on that? I'm going to flip back. That is how you do the assignment and the homework in Connect. Okay? If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, and we will get those answered for you. Okay? And also, if you get stuck, or if you have a question on on any of the information or any of the problems, you can always reach out to me, and I will be available. All right? Good luck to you. Okay? We'll talk to you soon.